I have a slug problem in my raised bed. This is my potager garden where I grow, or try to grow, vegetables in amongst my flowers. These are my really very small Cavolo and Nero seedlings just popping up. And this morning, there's some unprotected ones. Time to try and protect them then. I mulched my blueberries with seaweed from the shoreline. And just like the other ones, I'm going to put a ring of seaweed around my new seedlings. I'm using seaweed around my little seedlings because slugs don't like salty, crispy things, and seaweed is salty and crispy, or rather should be crispy, but mine's not drying out as we're having a lot of rain at the moment. I'll be sure to check in the next couple of days and weeks, see how they're getting on.